This is a tutorial of the To-Dos by Mental State template by David Kadavy. In this template, you can organize your to-dos by mental state. And if you want to read more about the original blog post that inspired this template, you can click on this link and it opens up to this blog post right here. To get started with this template, you go to the 7 mental states. I'm going to zoom out a little bit right here. And you can see here with the 7 mental states, prioritize, generate, exploration, research, polish, administrate, and recharge, you'll see a full description of that mental state. And you can also optionally assign a hourly value to that mental state to figure out how much your time is worth. And this is related to the variable money value of time blog post that David wrote. So let's go to the to-dos. Here is a fake list of to-dos, and you can notice I can just delete them like this, and I can also add more to-dos by clicking on this button right here. Once I add a to-do, I'm just going to go down here a little more. I'm going to write a to-do. Let's say it's going to be record video screen share. And this, I'm going to call this a generate mental state, and this will take, let's say, 2 hours. And I want to do this by September 20th. And you can see how that the time value of this to do is now $4,000 because back in my 7 mental state section, I put that the generate state is $2,000 per hour in terms of my time value. At the very bottom of the to-dos section, you can see these formulas calculate how many to-dos you have, as well as the total time, estimated time it will take for you to complete all your to-dos based on the estimated time column in your to-do list, and also the highest time value to do, which is worth $10,000 in this case, which is Outline podcast episode. It takes 5 hours and it's a generate state, so it has a time value of $10,000. Finally, to get a consolidated view of all your to-dos by state, you can click on the next section here. And now you can see all the 7 states laid out on the left, along with any to-dos associated with that state, which you can then go on and work on. This way of doing your to-dos allows you to make most efficient use of your time, as well as maximize your creative output.